An investigator with the FBI tonight warns there may be dozens more victims. That warning follows charges filed against an Oak Grove chiropractor accused of molesting underage patients.
Court documents show the now 70-year-old man framed the abuse as medical treatments and pelvic exams. Fox 4's Jacob Kittelstead joins us live now from the Health Plus Clinic in Oak Grove. Investigators say the chiropractor targeted a specific group. Who is that, Jacob?
Well, that is right, Kevin. This man, his name is David Clark, according to court documents, frequently targeted victims who were Amish, young girls with little to no reference to gynecologists or obstetricians.
70-year-old David Clark is now charged with 6 felonies related to sexual abuse. He's currently out on a $250,000 bond, and as a term of that release, he cannot do medical treatments. But until now, he's presented himself as a naturopath. He's found patients among the Amish. According to court documents, for many victims, Clark was their first interaction with medical personnel of any type. 5 women have told their stories to federal investigators going back to the late 90s. The stories have similarities. One former patient said Clark went without gloves during a pelvic exam and fondled her. According to court documents, another stated she was very uncomfortable with the treatment, which she did not understand at the time. But now, since becoming an adult, she is aware that is what happened. Fox 4 tried to connect with David Clark, but received no answer at his door.
Jacob Kittelstead with Fox 4.
However, calling a phone number on his bond paperwork, we spoke to his wife, who would not comment on the charges other than to call them ridiculous. But there are other disturbing details in court documents, including the draft of a sexually explicit novel on Clark's computer found when agents executed a search warrant at the clinic. In the book, a doctor comes to a woman's home and does the type of treatment that are described by the victims.
Now, the FBI is urging other potential victims to step forward. Again, court documents say that investigators believe the situation could be going back to the 1980s, Kevin and John.
Thank you, Jacob. Jacob Kittelstead live in Oak Grove, Missouri tonight.